Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Now just to change the ringtone volume, we should swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with our finger by this way. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your device, and after that tap here on the three dots, and by the same way slide to the left or to the right side this volume panel with your finger, and then just click here to done to confirm the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.